Hello everyone. Welcome to Future Learning. My name is Amit Mandal and I'm the instructor for this practical series on computer science with Python. Before beginning our next practical, just a small suggestion for better visibility and understanding. Switch to full screen mode while watching the video and turn on the captions. So in this practical number 4 we have to write a program to write and search in binary file, and in step 1 we will create a binary file with name and roll number. In step 2 we will create search for a given roll number and display the name, and in the third step, if not found, it will display a appropriate message. So the our output will be like this. Suppose if we enter the roll number 1, then if we enter the John, name John, then we it will ask to enter more data. Then we have to press yes or no. If we press yes, then we will allow to enter some more entries, and if we press n, then it will not allow to enter any record further. Okay, so in this method we will use this import pickle module and use the function dump and load. Okay, so to get started with, let's go to our browser. So we will just make it as practical number 4. Simply write it practical number 4. Then we have to write and search in binary file. So first, and we have to type this whole message. So we will just create a binary file with name and roll number, search for a given roll number, and display the name. If not found, display appropriate message. You can just simply press this. Yeah. So let's start with our first step. So our first step will be create a binary file with name and roll number, and then so first we have to import the pickle module. Import pickle, since we are dealing with binary file, so we have to import this pickle module. Then we have to define a function called write. So as we know, we have to put a colon here. Now f equal to open. I will name the file as student list dot at. As we are dealing with the binary file, so that is the extension for the binary file, dat, comma. So we have to first write the binary file. So yeah, wv we have to use to write binary. So here now we will use this while true loop, while true T in capital, and we have to write this R for the roll number, R int. We have to use this input method. So first enter the roll number, then n equal to input, enter name, then data equal to, you have to keep them in list, R comma n, then we will use a function pickle dot dump, then data comma f. Then we have to put a choice here. Ch stands for the choice. Suppose so input. So our choice will be input. Enter more data. We will have an option y or yes or no. Y slash n. So now I will put a condition here if choice is. So now we want whether we press small n or capital N, the it should break. So I will put n, small n, choice is n or small n, it will break. Then we will just simply close it. So now we will define another function called read function. So df read, same we have to write f open student list dot dat, and we have to this read binary file. So for reading a binary file we have to use rb. Then to handle the exceptions we have to write this try while true, and RDC stands for the record dot load. This time we are using this load method, load function, sorry. So now we will just print this record. So for EOF error handling we will write this except EOF error, then we will just simply write f dot close. Now we will call out of our functions write and read. So write and then read. So let's execute this program by pressing shift plus enter. So in line number 29 we have this error. So let's check it out. Okay, so there should be no space between EF error. Now let's check it out whether it's coming or not. Still an invalid syntax showing, and in the same line. Okay, so let's check it out. So this except will be under this try. So it is asking us to enter roll number 1. So suppose if I enter roll number 1, it is asking me to enter name. So if I write John, and it is asking me to enter more data, y comma n. Suppose if I press y, then it will ask me to enter more entries. So if I put a roll number 2, and if I put second name is Shane, it is again asking me to enter more data, y or n. So if I press y, then it is again asking me to put roll number 3. So it's this time we have this Michael. So we don't want to enter any more data, so I will just press n, or you can put a capital N or small n, it's up to you. So now, oh, so we are getting some errors. So enter roll number, it is even we are putting n, we are getting this enter roll number. So we have to check why it is occurring. So let's go back to our code. So it should be ch in, not is. So now if I just enter it, so we are now getting an output here. So it is asking us to enter roll number. So I will just write enter roll number 1, and it is asking to write name John. Then it is asking us to press either yes or no. So I will press yes. So if I press yes, then it is asking to enter roll number, then enter name. So this time we have Shane. Again we have this enter more data. We want to enter one more name. So I will just press make it Michael. Oh, so invalid syntax because I put. So I will just again execute this program. Roll number 1 we have this John. Roll number 2 we want to press more data, yes. Enter roll number 2, name is Shane. Enter more data, yes. Roll number 3 and name will be Michael. So if I just press enter, it will ask to enter more data. We don't want to enter any more data, so we will press n. So I will get these 3 entries: 1 John, 2 Shane, and third is Michael. So once it is done, we will move to our second step. So in our step 2, display the name. If not found, display appropriate message. So for our next step, we have to I will just copy the first one, that is from import pickle. This will be same. Now I will search for this and roll number. Enter roll number to display the student name. So this we have written to search student by the roll number. So f equal to open. We have put student list dot dat. Then we will read this binary file. So rb to read this binary file. And again we will write the same try while true w will be small, e will be capital. Now again that rec for the record, then pickle. This time we will use this load, and f is the of a variable, so I will put f. Then if rec in the list is 0, then it will be roll number, and print the record equal to roll number. Then print rec and 1. Then we have to EOF error handling, so accept EOF error. F dot close. So I will simply call their functions. First is our write, and then we have this search function. So if I just press shift plus enter, so there is one invalid syntax is coming. So it is in line 17. So we have to put here this and this one. So let's execute this. So one more syntax error is there. It is line 24. So this line is extra. We don't have to write this. And simply go with this. So line 25, we having an error. Except we have error. So we will have to put it below try. Okay. So now let's check. So now we are getting this. So it is asking us to enter the roll number. So if I press 2 and press enter, enter name. So okay. So let's re-execute this program once again. Enter roll number 1. If I put John here, then if I put more entry, then if I put chain number 2, yes. Roll number 3, yes. I will put right Michelle. So if I press yes, then this time I will press no. This no, I don't want to press enter any more data. So now it is asking us to enter roll number to display the student name. So if I just press 2, so I will get Shane here. So our second step was to display the name. If not found, display appropriate message. So we are getting this Shane here. If suppose for the next step to display the appropriate message, for this step 3 we have this one. If not found, display appropriate message. So in order to do this, what we will do, we will just copy and paste the whole program from above. Even the search function also, I will just do some modifications only. So our first program for the write function will be same. For search function we have to make some amendments, like here we have to write found variable. So is found is our variable, and then we have this yeah, right, we have to write here print record, then we have to write it here found equal to 1. Then we will put a break here. Once it is done, Then we have to write here if found. Then print no record found. So found one is for the our true statement. Let's execute this. So line 31 indentation error is there. So let's check it. So it will be here. Okay. So let's now if I make the list again, one for John, yes, two for Shane, yes, three for Michael. Yes. I don't want to put any more data. Enter. So now if I press suppose 5, so we have only roll number enter 1 2 3, but we don't have any person with roll number 5. If I press 5, then I will get this message no record found.